Increasing limits. One of the unique things about the Binance Exchange is that it doesn't require you to submit any verification documents to use the site. They only require it if you're trying to make large transactions. So to do this, what you're going to do is go ahead and find your account icon in the top right corner and open up your account portal. And at the top, you're going to see where it says Submit Verification Documents. Once you click that, you have two options, personal or enterprise. We're going to show you the personal, and we're just going to cover some things here. First thing is, if you're not in China, go ahead and click international. Obviously, you're going to want to fill in your legal name, gender, put in the country you live in, and you'll notice it says passport ID. I just want to make a distinction here. You can use your passport ID number, but you can also use your driver's license ID number. And the reason we're making this tutorial is because we don't want there to be any confusion if you do choose to use your driver's license, because the rest of the instructions show using passport. So you'll notice the first file option says passport cover, but if you read the fine print, you could also choose to upload the front of your driver's license. That's just as satisfactory. Next, it says passport personal page. If you're not using your passport, simply upload the back of your driver's license. And finally, to verify that you really are you, that you hold these documents, they require a selfie with a note and the document you just uploaded. So take a clear picture of your face, write on a piece of paper, Binance, with the date you're submitting your documents, as well as the document that you used to upload.